Spring has sprung and so have the weeds, so today I'll go over our 15-5-10 weed and feed and then I'll show you how to apply it to a residential lawn. Hi, I'm Jason with Solutions Pest and Lawn. Everyone knows that to have a healthy yard, you need to combat weed growth while promoting healthy growth for your turf grass. You could use a combination of pre- and post-emergent herbicides and fertilizers, or you could use one product that will do both. That's our 15-5-10 weed and feed. This weed and feed is labeled to control a wide range of weeds, such as clover, dandelion, spurge, and many others. It also supplies your yard with essential nutrients to help it grow strong this season. There are many different fertilizers out there that have different core analysis. The core analysis is those three numbers that you'll see on the front of your fertilizer bag. Our weed and feed is 15-5-10. That means 15% nitrogen, 5% phosphorus, and 10% potassium. These three elements are essential to your yard's health, and this 15-5-10 combo is perfect for spring. What's great about this weed and feed is that there are additional ingredients included. They're called a micronutrient pack. This is kind of like vitamins for your yard that promote health and longevity. Not all fertilizers are going to have that. And to show you how to apply it, we'll go to a residential lawn and put some down. Okay, we're at our lawn. So first thing we want to do with our bag of weed and feed is read the label. The label will tell you which type of weeds it will kill and the turf grass it's intended for. But it's also crucial to follow the recommended spreader setting and application rate. If you were to over-apply, at worst you could hurt your yard, and at best you just waste product. So this is a St. Augustine grass lawn, and per the label, we're going to apply 3.2 pounds of weed and feed for every 1,000 square feet. This lawn is about 2,500 square feet, so that means we'll need about 8 pounds of weed and feed. You'll notice this lawn isn't a perfect square, but it's okay to have an approximate square footage because this is a slow-release nitrogen fertilizer and is not quite as likely to burn your grass. So remember, the label is going to show you approximate spreader settings for different types of spreaders. So let's load and calibrate our spreader and get started. Okay, I have my weed and feed in the spreader. I have the spreader on the correct setting, so I'm ready to start. I'm going to start at the edge here and work my way around the yard. And then I will go from one end of the lawn to the other, moving at a steady pace to make sure I deliver the correct amount of product to the lawn. I'm also watching how far the fertilizer is spreading so I can have a little bit of overlap and I know where to go for my next pass. Okay, so I've just about finished up, but when you're applying Solutions weed and feed to your yard, here's a few things to consider. You'll want to make sure to mow your yard to its normal height a day or two before application. If the grass is dry at the time, you'll want to sprinkle a little water on there so you can help the product stick and prevent drift. You'll also need to water your lawn at least a day before the application so that the turf and the soil have adequate moisture. Water the lawn a day or two after the application so the product can have time to stick to the weed leaf surface. You'll also want to make a follow-up application in about 30 days. This is to make sure the correct amount of nitrogen is put down. And finally, read the label. The label is the law, and everything that you will need to know will be on that label. This weed and feed is a great product and a fantastic tool to have in your spring lawn care program. Not only will it kill and control the weeds, but it will also feed your lawn for a lush, beautiful lawn. You should start seeing results in roughly about a month. If you have any other questions about weed and feed or any other DIY pest control, please leave a comment in the comment section below. Also, you can give us a call, send us an email, stop by one of our stores, or visit our website. And make sure you subscribe for more how-to and product videos. I'm Jason Baker with Solutions Pest and Lawn. Ask us how, then do it yourself.